Hello computer cooks and welcome to Retro Recipes Bite Size. This is a new series that I'm doing for jobs that don't really warrant a full project episode, but it's still interesting to watch, as it was when I tried to put my Vampire 500 Mark II into the Amiga and you heard that snap. Well, that was me very cleverly snapping one of the pins off and looking all gormless when all I saw was this flashing. Now moving from the Amiga workbench to the kitchen workbench, you can see here the problem. Nice work, PERI. Now normally I would have never have attempted one of these repairs, but my skills have improved by about 1%, and I thought it was worth a shot, so I pulled out one of these jumpers here. Snapped it off. Amazingly, it didn't fly across the room. And the plan was to put it in these pliers, tin the tip, and also warm up the leg so that it would be very easy to take the solder when I touched it to the other part, which I'm actually heating up and tinning here as we speak. So I put some solder on the stub, I suppose you could call it. It's a pretty hot leg, and added some solder, nice generous blob there. So here it goes, that's the jumper in the pliers. I heated up the solder again to liquefy it, just like the Terminator 2, and put the pin onto it. I thought I was being all clever. There it goes, yeah, drop it in there. Oh, I've stuck the pliers to the pin, never mind. Oh, it's way too short. Useless. So off it came again. And this time I put my thinking cap on and found a decent sized leg. Look at that. Heated it up, added some solder, and dropped it onto the stub, as I think we're now calling it. Now this time it actually went on pretty successfully. Yeah, now it's a bit wonky, so firstly I straightened out the other pins. And then I set about this one. First I straightened the base of it to the left, and then slightly higher up to the right. That way I could achieve the correct trajectory at the top. And then it's just a matter of snipping off the remainder, save that for the next leg that I break. Break a leg. It's meant to be lucky, isn't it? Not too shabby, could be prettier, but if it works, I won't care. Well, all that remains is to reinstate my hard disk card, take a seat, turn it on. Yes! Success. I'll leave you with the Amiga workbench and just say please like and subscribe to this video. Feel free to check out my Patreon below as well. And until next time, keep nibbling. Cheerio.